G'day everybody, Mike Irving here, representing Yabba. So we're at Urban Tilba right now in Seven Hills in the centre of Sydney, and we've taken this house off grid. We're holding an open day. It's Australia Day today, and we've got 150 people coming through to have a look. We wanted to show you a little bit about the day and make sure that everybody understands what we're all about.
If I need any backup, I will get that backup. So to me that was all a big plus. With the group that I belong to, with Permaculture Sydney West, we have a very diverse membership with a lot of skills. So among those skills, and the people that came with me today is an electrician, a builder. So we have people who can help us if we're a little bit iffy about installation. We've learnt the way, or we can see what you use, we can see how you put it together. We want to basically take what you've done and do the best we can with it for our own homes, because we can see that it's worked. So that's what I've gotten from today, and the people around me that are doing that, we're seeing that doing that as a group to support each other and get it out there into the community is a really great way to go.
So it was really good to see how all the bits work together. We saw a bit of water harvesting, we saw a bit of solar paneling, we saw some machinery that you could use off solar kind of batteries, and yeah, we had a look around the garden, saw the chooks, saw the native bees, everything worked well integrated, so that was pretty cool.
They make great cheese. I don't know what they do, but they make great cheese.
We only buy directly from farms and from producers, and we only source whole animals. So our structure is slightly different to a conventional butcher, and what we're focused on is working with farmers who are really focused on soil fertility and increasing soil fertility. So we see the animals that we buy as a very direct expression of the goodness of the soil. So if you find a farmer that's working to develop soil life in the soil and increase soil fertility through natural means, you're likely to find very good product, and that's what we do.
So you can make your own beer, make your own cider. You can make it non-alcoholic or alcoholic, even ginger beer. We've got all different types of things to make your own. So you can make your own sausages. We've got 12 flavours in our sausage range. You can make your own smoky maple bacon, make your own cheeses, make your own yogurts. You can even preserve your foods with the Fowler's Bacola range, and you can roast your own coffee beans in a popcorn machine in about 15 minutes.
And this is Mike's setup here, which is a small aquaponics system. And basically aquaponics is using fish. So in this tank we have 5 goldfish, and they produce poo basically from within this water, which is pumped up top, and it goes into our clay medium here, and that produces the food for the plants, and then the water goes back down into the fish tank. And happy medium, you get fish as well as food.
Hi, I'm Mike Hayden from Yabba. We've set the house up here as a sustainable demonstration site. We really were frustrated ourselves and can understand people's frustration wanting to learn what's the best technology to install on solar, how to get the batteries right and all that sort of stuff. So we decided to test all the products here and teach people how we've done it and what's the best solution out there on the marketplace. Over the last few years, we've had hundreds of students through the house here understanding how to DIY solar, and we've consulted to hundreds of businesses and teach how to reduce their energy consumption and to select the right technology to get it right in their business.